Good morning, children. Now, children, we will continue with our work. That is Block 9 India Physical Features and Climate. Now, children, previously we have learnt about the physical, how it has been divided into 6 groups, like northern mountains, northern plains, coastal plains, islands, deserts and plateaus. It has been divided into 6 groups, right? That is what previously. Under this mountain, Himachal Pradesh, Himalayas, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, plains, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, coastal plains, Goa, Kerala, islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island, deserts, Rajasthan, plateaus, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So this is what we have learned and I showed you also. Now, so today we will be going to learn about climatic condition. Okay. Now different physical features with different climatic conditions in India. That is in India we are talking about Indian climatic condition. Climatic condition is nothing, weather. Okay. In different places, different weathers you will be experience. Now, for example, children, here in northern mountains, that is, you will see high of the Himalayas, you will see lot of snow, white snow, right? So it is very cold here. Northern plains, hot and cold. Coastal plains, neither hot nor cold. That means in this coastal plains, no, like Goa and Kerala, children, really Goa, weather condition is very good. Kerala, if you must have gone there, you must be knowing, you must be experiencing the weather. That is weather not very hot, not very cold. That means medium. Now even island also like Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island, even in islands also neither hot nor cold, not very cold, not very hot. Okay, medium. Now here desert, naturally desert it is a hot also, and plateaus also hot. Okay, these are the things which the different climatic conditions. Okay, here we will know. Okay, little bit 1 minute you can see this weather. Okay, same thing I am showing. Okay, picture S1 I showed, no, Himachal Pradesh very cold, that is northern side. Then Rajasthan hot, Punjab, Goa medium, that is. Okay, now I will explain you more about this little details. Listen very carefully, children. Deserts are hot and hills are cold. We feel neither too hot nor too cold in the coastal areas and islands. The rocky plateaus are hot and plains are too hot. In some months and too cool. In some months and too cool in other months. Sometimes in some months they are very very cool, like I think so November, December and January. Northern side it's very cold now. It will start June or already started. I showed you some pictures also in S1. So that is covering up to the S2. Okay, climate. The hotness or coldness in the air which we feel throughout the year is the climate of a place. Now, in India, all the physiographic division experience different climate. Physiographic is, that is what, physical features. Okay, about the area, particular place. It has been divisions and experienced in different climatic conditions. The physical feature of a place affects the climate. We feel cool when we visit a coastal area or a beach. This is because of the cooling effects of winds. Where the wind blows, it will affect us. Coming from the sea. The wind blows from the sea. Okay, and then we experience the weather. Okay, right. Now children, open your reader, page number 59. Climate of India. The climate of a place is influenced by the physical feature of a place. The northern mountains have a cold climate and the desert has a hot climate. You know that. The northern plains are very hot in some months and very cold in the other months. The peninsular plateau, that I showed you also, that paper also, children. The peninsular plateau has a hot climate to the coastal plains, and the islands are neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, that much, children. Now open your workbook, children. That is volume 2, block 9, S2. Date you write 25-11-2020. Now here, first question, write the types of climate found in each physical feature. Give reasons for your answer. Now you write here 1, 2 and 3. That is northern mountain, already they have done. It is there. Climate is cold because people wear warm clothes and most of the mountains are covered with snow at the top. Now children, northern plains. Second one. Climate is hot in summer and cold in winter because people wear cotton clothes in summer and warm clothes in the winter. Third one, desert. Climate is hot because sand dunes cover this area, and there is very little rain, rainfall. Now coastal plains. Climate is neither hot nor or cold because the wind is blowing from the sea, make the climate pleasant. That's all. Next one, S2. Look at the picture. Do you think that the climate in both these places is similar? Give reason for that. These mountains and all I have already showed you. Now first point, the first picture shows a coastal area and the other is a mountain area, full stop. Second point, the climate the climate in the coastal areas is neither hot nor cold, whereas the climate in the mountain is very cold. Third point, the climate in both these plains is very different because of the differences in the physical feature of these areas. Fourth point, the cooling effect of the winds coming from the sea causes pleasant climate near the coast. Fifth point, the climate in the mountains is cold because of the height. Now one time I'll show you, children. Write nicely and neatly. Okay. Do it zoom, children. Okay, do it zoom.